I will make biko for tonight, the new year. This is not finished yet because we don't have gas. We run out of gas, guys. And this one is the sticky rice. Then I mix salad to macaroni salad for tonight. That's it. I will make by myself. Shake? Hello. I'm just waiting the gas. Don't bother no matter what anymore. For our new year, I make biko and macaroni salad and spaghetti. I'll be the one make it. So join with me, guys. I will make another vlog how to make biko and my macaroni. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. See you in another vlog. Have a nice day and Happy New Year. Advance. Bye. Now we have gas back. So guys, if you're cooking this new year, my tips is you need to check your gas if you have, because it's really hard if you don't have. Then you know that you don't have gas no more, and then it's late. So before you do cooking, you need to check your gas. So now, okay, back to normal again, guys. Cooking time.